Good morning, my dear students. This is Swarna Kumari, DL in Botany from TTWRDC in Mulugu. Today we have to discuss about the NEATM, anatomy of stem. In the last class we have to discuss about the NEATM, morphology of the plant, root system and leaves, and again we have to discuss about root anatomy. Now we have to discuss about the anatomy of stem. Okay, today we have to discuss about the anatomy of stem. Okay, I will show the pictures. Okay, see in this picture, my dears, this is the NEATM of stem, anatomy of stem. Okay, young stem. Okay, now we have to discuss about this topic. Today we have to discuss about this topic. Now we have to see young stem or NEATM resemble the digostem in its anatomy. Okay, young stem NEATM resemble the dicot stem in its anatomy. It has three parts. How many parts of them, Nana? It has three parts. First one is the epidermis, and second one is the cortex, and third one is the vacuolar cylinder. It is clear? First one is the epidermis, second one is the cortex, third one is the vacuolar cylinder. First we have to discuss about the epidermis. Okay, now see, epidermis is one cell thick layer. They have only one cell. That cell is thick layer. Okay, the cell are without intercellular space. Cells. Okay, next sunken stomata are present in the epidermis and it's covered by cuticle layer. Okay, now see, sunken stomata are present in the epidermis and it is covered by cuticle. Okay, next one we have to discuss about the second one, cortex. Okay, below the epidermis is the cortex. Distributed into the three regions. They have three regions are there. First one is the outer cortex, second one is the middle cortex, and third one is the inner cortex. They have three regions are there. First one is the outer cortex, second one is the middle cortex, and third one is the inner cortex. Okay, next the epidermis, 5 to 7 layers are parenchymatous and chlorophyllous. The tissue is present. Okay, first one. Now see, next to the epidermis, 5 to 7 layers of parenchymatous. 5 to 7. How many layers are there? 5 to 7. Minimum 5 to 7 layers are parenchymatous and chlorophyllous tissue is present. Okay, which is called the outer cortex. This is we have to call the outer cortex. Below this region, a many layered of parenchymatous middle cortex is present. Okay, below this region, a many layered. How many layers? Many. It has many layered parenchymatous middle cortex is present. Okay, next one. In this middle cortex, 2 to 5 cell thick layer of stone cell are present. Now remember this one, all of you. In this middle cortex, which cortex? Not outer cortex, not inner cortex. Middle cortex, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 cells thick layer of stone cell are present. In a mature stem, this layer is more capacious. Okay, these cells are called spicular cells. Okay, these cells are called spicular cells. This region of the cortex is also known as inner cortex. So we have to call the inner cortex. Okay, endodermis is not very clear in the stem. Endodermis is not very clear. We have to see clearly. in endodermis in this stem. Okay, we have to see we have to not see very clear in the epidermis. Okay, next one we have to discuss about the vacuolar cylinder. Now we have to discuss about the vacuolar cylinder. Okay, now see, vacuolar cylinder is present below the cortex. Now see, vacuolar cylinder is present below the cortex. In the first layer of the vacuolar cylinder, parenchyma motor is incapacious. Okay, a vacuolar cylinder is present below the cortex. Vacuolar cylinder is present below the cortex. In the first layer of the vacuolar cylinder, pericycline inconspicuous. Okay, there are 20 to 24 vacuolar bundles. How many bundles are there, Nana? 20 to 24 vacuolar bundles. Okay, arranged critically around the center of medulla. Okay, how do they arrange on a center of medulla? Okay, arranged circularly around the center medulla. Okay, each vacuolar bundle is conjoint collateral open and attached. Each vacuolar bundle is conjoint. Okay, collateral. Okay, open and attached. Okay, xylem consists is threads and few vessels and very less xylem parenchyma. Very less and very less xylem parenchyma. In the primary pollen, CV tubes and pollen parenchymas are present. In this primary pollen, CV tubes and pollen parenchyma are present. Communis separates is the xylem and pollen, making the vacuolar bundles an open type. Which type, Nana? Open type. Okay, next, central large medulla is present and spread between the vacuolar bundles, and these border strips of medulla are called medullary rays. How to we will call, Nana? Medulla are called medullary rays. Now see, in this central large medulla is present and spread between the vacuolar bundles, and these both slips of medulla are called medullary rays. It is clear, Nana? This is the anatomy of stem, Nana. Okay.